Alright guys, today I'm checking out the Lisen electric vacuum magnetic car phone mount. This one is a little different from your regular mount, and I'll tell you if it's worth picking up. And this is what it comes inside of the box. This is the Lisen magnetic phone mount. The model is the A690 with electric vacuum. Okay, it comes with a template, wipes for cleaning, the manual, how to install it, how to use it, quick guide, a sticker, magnetic sticker to put it in your phone case, a clear sticker for your dashboard. If your dashboard has a texture, you have to put this one. And this is the mount. Cool. So this one is electric. You have to charge it here. And how do you open it? Oh, like this. Ooh, look at that. Cool. So we're gonna test it in a little bit, and let me charge it first so we can see how it works. Okay, cool. And it comes with the cable to charge it. So this is everything that comes inside the box. Okay, let's test this phone mount. It has a button in the bottom. This one, it will start the suction mechanism on this one. Okay. Remember, this one will only work on a smooth surface like this one. It won't stick to texture surface. So let's put it here. Oh, and then you can move this one like this. So I'm gonna move it like that, and then this one like that. And I can put my phone. Cool. Look at that. It's cool. Nice. And I can remove it. So it works great. And this one rotates like this, up and down. And you can rotate this one to the sides like this from here as a rotation. That's cool. And to remove it, it has a button, this one. Press that one. Like that. Yeah, and it's out. And also you can use it at your office. So remember, it has to be a smooth surface. I'll put it here. Oh, yeah, so strong. I'll put it like that. Put it like this. I'll put it like that. Oh, put it like that. Oh. Look at that. So overall, the Lisen electric vacuum magnetic car mount is a great option if you want a rock-solid phone holder that doesn't shake around while driving. I'll definitely recommend it if you're tired of mounts falling off in the heat. Just keep in mind, it does have a built-in battery that powers the vacuum suction, and it lasts around 7 to 15 days per charge, so you'll need to top it up occasionally. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews like this one, and drop a comment. Would you use a vacuum lock mount in your car? Alright, let me know. Thank you for watching, God bless you, and see you on the next video.